Alright, so today we'll be covering binary storage and registers. We'll see how information is stored and processed in digital systems. Let's get into it. Well, firstly, we have things called binary cells. They're used to physically store binary information. Each cell stores 1 or 0. They all have an input and an output. The input will take in signals and set the cell state to either 1 or 0, while the output will indicate whether it is 1 or 0. Registers are groups of binary cells. For every cell a register has, it can store a bit. The content of a register will be up to interpretation and depend on the application. For example, look at this 8-bit register. It could represent a binary number, ASCII, BCD, or many other things. Register transfers are very basic operations to move info between registers. The next 2 slides will have diagrams I've drawn to help demonstrate their use. We'll look at how text from a keyboard is stored, as well as how numbers are added. This diagram here shows the word hi being stored in memory. It starts at the keyboard. H will be pressed, changed to ASCII, and be put into the input register. From there, it will be transferred to the processor register furthest to the right. When I is then struck, the ASCII code goes into the input register. The H code is then shifted to the left to make room from the I code. These will then be transferred to the memory registers. The keyboard, control, and input register are all parts of what we call the input unit. The processor registers are all part of the processor unit. And the memory registers are all parts of the memory unit. Here we'll see how 2 numbers in memory are added to create a new number. Both numbers are first sent to registers in the processor unit. They're then put through an addition circuit. This circuit will produce a new binary code that will be in a register in the processor unit. This new binary code can then be put back into the memory unit in an unused register. That's it for today. I hope it helped and that the diagrams were easy to follow. Thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe for more computer science content.